What's up, everyone? AJ here with another episode of using Bravo to create apps. Unfortunately, my QuickTime is not working, so we will have to show you on the display here once again. Unfortunately, so I'll try one more time once we get everything up and running. But first and foremost, we're going to start with authentication. We added push notifications last time, which is great. But we're gonna add authentication, and then um, we're gonna add a custom notification page right here that we can manually enter our own notifications. So with that being said, I'm actually gonna delete this, and Bravo actually, if you go to their create login email password, they actually have their own sample login page here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I already downloaded this page, and the page is right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm literally going to copy all this stuff, okay, and we're just gonna bring it in here. Line it up, and we're gonna take this logout button, and actually what we're gonna do is move this over here. So perfect time to label this profile page. This is gonna be organized here, notification page, okay. And what we're gonna do is make this like this, delete, and bring this header over. So label this profile. Get a little closer so you guys can see. Bring this logout button. Let's make it 54, 20, and let's definitely make this a type of no, not the text. Let's make it like a red here. Definitely want people to log out. Okay, perfect. And it's coming here, and we're gonna put this here. Okay. All right, cool, sweet. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do some basic designing for our authentication. Okay. So first and foremost, if you guys noticed, the logout button has a tag on it that says account logout Firebase. So we're gonna use Firebase for authentication. It's gonna be super easy to set up. I mean, easier than anything I've ever done in my life. So that's great news. And then if you notice, the login page has a frame at the top level because it needs to know that the user's logged in. And if they're not, we gotta show them this. We gotta show them this page. And then we have the forgot password, and we have forgot password also has a reset password Firebase. But then to create a text field, you actually have these tags: input email, and password is input password. These are actually placeholders for now, so make sure. So for enter email, so and then enter password, right? And enter email, okay, and enter email, enter password. Okay, so right now we can only take email and password information, and then sign up also has, one last tag here: activate action register Firebase email password, which is awesome. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a prototype here. We're gonna drag here for sign up. We're going there for login. We're going there for reset password. We're gonna go here, and I'm actually going to add a cancel button here. I'm actually gonna get the background of this, bring it down here, and we're gonna come in here, add cancel. Okay, and let's go ahead and grab the same And how big is this guy? 287. Let's make this guy 287. Center him. Okay, and then let's all make these 287. Center us. Grab all these. Make them. I'm actually gonna make them all 300. Okay. Center this. Center this. Come in here. Let's grab this guy like this. Oh no, I messed up. Hide that. No, okay, we're good there. Alright, so center you. Center. Okay. Center this. Perfect. And okay. Okay, let's grab all these. Let's center them. Center. Bring this in just a smidge. This 50. Center this. Okay, and forgot password doesn't need to be this big. I think we can make it bold. What do we use? We use SF Pro Rounded. Okay, so let's go ahead and change all this font here. Okay, last but not least, gotta change you. Alright. Perfect. Okay, so now we can start styling. Alright, so we are going to what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add Bravo symbol here. If I can save that. Bravo. And let's see what happens when I bring this out. Okay, perfect. It's actually gonna work out. So we're gonna actually make everything like that, and I'm actually going to come in here and grab all this. Okay. Grab this like this. Okay, perfect. And what you can do is you can actually tell Bravo to not pull this when you update by adding that to a frame. Alright, so now we have that. I'm gonna do some basic styling, guys. Let's come in here. Let's add this, and the login is definitely gonna have to be this green. And let's make this an F. Let's make this an F. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is come in here and let's move this up like to 10, give some separation here to like 20, move you up to like 15. Okay. All these you're gonna have 20 radiuses, 20, 20. Let's go ahead and make this 20 as well. Guess that didn't work. Okay. W, prototype, bring you to here, okay? And let's go ahead and make this one line by doing this. And let's add this yellow, reset password, okay. Enter your email below to reset your password. Let's make this 17. Don't make it bold, there's no point. And it's center aligned here, perfect. And let's go ahead and add a white to this. Okay. Perfect. And make this like 5. Okay. Enter email, reset password. Let's go ahead and make this green. Okay, let's actually go ahead and delete this. Sign up, and let's make this sign up, this pink, and enter your email. Fill out the information below to create an account. To create your account. Okay. Six this out. Okay, perfect. These definitely look off-centered. Make this 50. This 50. Okay. This sign up button I want to make pink. And let's go ahead and this is gonna be F. Okay. So we got our authentication, everything set up here and designed. So now it matches kind of our theme here. And what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna come in here. Let's actually make this a little smaller. And we're gonna start creating our authentication experience, okay? So first and foremost, let's head on over to Google Chrome and let's head on over this. So we just did this, we just added, this was already added, all this stuff was already added into our sample Figma project we got from Bravo. We added reset, excuse me, we added sign up, right? So we're gonna keep going, log out, we added log out too, and now we're gonna set up Firebase. So I'm gonna head on over to the console and I'm gonna create a new project. I'm gonna call this Bravo YouTube. I never understood. Oh, maybe because I can't have any more projects. So I'm going to how do I do no, I can definitely this is so weird. Let's start the project name. Okay, so maybe I can try it on Safari. I don't know what's going on. console. That's so weird. Okay, you know what I might do? I might just go into, let's go into, do I have anything? This one. So, I'm gonna name this Bravo YouTube. And unfortunately, the project ID is gonna be all that, whatever, cool. At least we got this up and running. Okay, so what's gonna happen is you're actually gonna come to something like this, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to go to authentication, okay? And when you go to authentication, you're gonna have to go to sign-in method, and all this is disabled, right? So you're gonna have to click email password, click enable, click save, okay? Right? And then you're gonna go back to authentication, and you're actually going to go back to project overview, and we are going to authentication. What I'll do is I'll actually close out of here. Okay, so let's head on over, let's refresh this. Bravo YouTube. Okay, so we're in here, right? So we did that. That's what's supposed to happen. I don't understand. Okay, so then after that, we did this email. We did this, right? Did this. Then we're going to have to head on over to project overview. Okay, so project overview. Add an app, and we're going to do iOS. Okay, come back in here. Step 1, add this here. Okay, that's easy. Right in here, click register app, because we're going to skip until we get to here. Download this file. Okay, click next. Cool. Now we got to also do it for Android. Next, next, next. Continue console. Let's add another app. Let's do Android. Android has something different. Okay. Bless me. Register app. Oh, go back. Download this. Next, and continue console. Perfect. Now, once we got that, all right, we got set up in Bravo. So we're gonna go to our Bravo project. We're gonna go into settings, login. We're gonna click enable. We're gonna upload the Android build, which is right here, JSON. Then we're gonna upload the iOS list, okay? And let's definitely do that, okay? And once you've done that, you've successfully activated this, right? So there is some email templates in Bravo. Go to authentication, go to templates. This is the email verification. This is the password reset. So you can customize this if you want. This is going to be sent to the user after they sign up and after they reset their password. And this is the main reason why you want to correctly name yourself, because that's not obviously the YouTube account, but it's no worries. Obviously there's a little bug where I'm doing something wrong. So when you're ready to publish this to the App Store, you're actually going to have to go here and you're actually gonna have to go to publish, and you're gonna have to get the package name, and then as well, this is your bundle ID you can get for iOS as well. Yeah, so now you can follow these steps and then be able to publish it, right? So what we're gonna do now is head on over to screens, and we're gonna pull. I'm gonna see if I can get my QuickTime player. Cancel. Okay, we don't want that. That works. No, still doesn't work. Okay, no worries. All right. So we now have all these, pulled, and my app has loaded, and I'm about to show you guys. Okay. So it's the login screen. All right. So I'm gonna go through the process. I'm gonna click sign up because I don't have an account, and okay, so that's so weird. Alright, so I'm going to click sign up. AJ Picard 25 at Gmail. Let's do something like that. Okay, so it actually, after I clicked sign up, it actually just brought me right into the home page. Alright, so I'm actually going to head on over. I'm going to set up our taskbar real quick. Okay. And for some reason this text, oh, that's why, because it's not in the container. It wasn't showing up. So what I'm going to do is add a prototype to the settings instant. And let's go ahead and grab this. Okay. Put this here. Let's grab this and let's put this here. Okay. And let's grab you. Grab you. And let's put them here. Okay. Okay. And prototype, perfect. Okay. You here. And you here. Alright, so let's go back to, here and let's pull again. And should update, perfect. My app is updating now. And we should be, okay, so we're back in here, right? And right, so I should be able to click settings, right? And then let's click log out. Okay, so now I'm logged out. Okay, and what I'm going to do is type in my information. Okay, so we have my information, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click login. There you go. No, I don't. So we got authentication already up and running. That was awesome. So in the next episode, guys, we're going to set up our manual notification list. And now that we got push notification set up and we got authentication, we need to add our own, in-app notification so users know any type of new data or new tutorials or anything along those lines inside our app here. And yeah, we're gonna build that, and then we have a couple other things to do, and we'll be ready to launch the app. So thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next episode.